Welcome to the Python SpeedSheet, the cheat sheet I created to solve a simple problem. Get quick answers to quick questions without having to scour the entire web. Here are my top 9 tips for how I get the most out of it. I hope you find them useful. The first tip is use the search. This for me is the most important tip. If you take nothing else away from this, remember this one thing. The search is the key to getting the absolute most out of the SpeedSheet. It's what allows the SpeedSheet to go to work for you and save you time and effort. There are over 1,000 entries in the SpeedSheet. Use the search and let the SpeedSheet do the work of finding the answers for you. Search results come back as you type. You get to see instant results. Tip number 2, keep your search terms short and to the point. 2 or 3 words should find you what you're looking for. And leave the unnecessary words out of the search. They won't be filtered out and the search will try to match them. Tip number 3, don't know the right command? No problem. Let the SpeedSheet find the answer for you. Say you want the code for finding when a file was created. Searching for file created date will give you exactly what you need. Get C time. Here you get 2 different choices and you get to decide which one's right for you. So as you can see, the SpeedSheet is here to help you discover what you're looking for and also to give you options, so you can quickly find exactly what you need. Now, if you just want to type the actual command, well, that works fine too. Tip number 4, save time by quickly checking your syntax. I love this one. It was really unexpected, but I have saved countless hours of fighting with my code by catching simple mistakes before they even happen. Do a quick check on a command so you know you got it right, rather than waiting for your code or your IDE to tell you. It's quick and easy, and yet a simple check can save you a lot of time and effort. Tip number 5, copy-paste the code. This one's pretty obvious, but the SpeedSheet is a cookbook of sorts, and you should feel free to liberally copy-paste code all day long. I certainly do. It might require a little editing, but starting off with the right code is going to save you a lot of time and errors. Tip number 6. If you want a quick summary of a particular feature, add the word basics to your search. For example, if you want an overview of decorators, searching for decorator basics will give you exactly what you're looking for. You can look up basic summaries for a number of topics including classes, functions, exception handling, and other areas too. In fact, if you just search for basics, you're going to see all the summaries that are available. Tip number 7. Use the escape to clear your current search. You can quickly clear a search and start over if your search isn't on the right track, or you want to quickly jump between commands. It's simple but useful. Tip number 8. For those of you on a mobile device, you can quickly access the sidebar by touching the icons to the left of the search. Often, it's useful to see the headings, especially when you're dialing in a search or jumping between results. The sidebar is hidden by default on a mobile device. Just touch the sidebar icon to toggle back and forth between the views. So I want to take a moment here to talk about how the entries are structured so you have some idea of what to expect. All entries start with the most important piece on top, the actual code. Your import statements are going to be right up there too, so you see everything in one place, no guessing involved. Here's a pet peeve of mine. In many online examples, the import statements are completely absent. I never understood why they do that, but this often leaves me fumbling around and wasting time looking for the answer. But not here. You're always going to find the import statements included with the example. Next, you'll see a short description along with any relevant notes. Finally, there will be a code example for those entries that really need it, and it will include the output or results so you see exactly how it works. Tip number 9. Save and share your results. It's dead simple. Just copy the link from your browser and save it for later. It contains the search and the currently selected item. To get it back, just paste the link back into your browser and the search is restored. And of course, you can share the search results with others. It's as easy as giving them the link. As a final bonus, here are some of the things you can find inside the Python SpeedSheet. Starting with string operations, which there are over 50 things you can do with strings alone. String formatting, including fstrings and the format command, lists and 50 things you can do with them, and a section dedicated to both slicing and to destructuring. Dicts and 30 operations you can do with them. Classes, functions including inner functions, lambdas, and decorators, generators, error handling, unit testing, processes, threads, and async coroutines, pickling and monkey patching. And of course, there are a lot more things that I couldn't possibly cover here, but hopefully this gives you some idea. So as a recap, remember to get the most out of the Python SpeedSheet, first and foremost, use the search. Keep your search terms short. Find commands you need, check your syntax with the sheet, copy-paste code liberally, search for the basics, clear your searches with escape, and show and hide the sidebar on your phone, save and share your searches. But most importantly, use the search. I hope you found this informative, and I hope the SpeedSheet is as helpful to you as it is to me. Please send me any feedback you have. I greatly appreciate it. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. And if you like the Python SpeedSheet, please share it with others. It helps tremendously. This is Tim O. Thanks for watching and happy programming.